back with another video. If I'm not mistaken, in one of my last videos, I told you that one of those top pockets right there that you see, yes, was not straight, as you can see. And so I said I would be posting a video of me correcting that. I don't know if it's in these two videos. This is two videos combined, each about 5 minutes and some seconds. So yeah, I had to take that off because it wasn't proper. And I want you guys to see. I can't very well inspire trust if I'm trying to hide stuff from you. So I want you to see me, corrections and all. And I bet you dollars to donuts, mistakes happen in factories too. Not that you'd want to see them. I don't even know if you want to see these. But just know that if I make a mistake, there's like a 99.999 with a dash above it certainty I will correct it. I'm not going to just lackadaisically, cavalierly, in a slipshod fashion, affix an item or an accent to a garment I hope to someday sell and show you I made that accident and not make an attempt to correct it, fix it, make it whole. I know I did take that off. I just don't know if it's in this video or another video. It might be in the second video here. It may not be. I don't know. But I do make mistakes. I would like to be mistake-free. That's the ultimate goal. Or really to make as less or as little mistakes as possible. I may have to move that text message. I put one text message in the overlay row. I take that back. I put 3 text messages in the overlay row and 1 text message in the title row. Those messages that appear at the bottom of your screen, please like, comment, share. I'm still learning how to manipulate this software. I'm pretty good at putting messages in, using the transitions, the text, the movements, even the music. But I basically use my own beats. You guys hear those beats, those janky beats I make. I've made an intro and an outro, or rather an outro and an intro. You saw the intro when you were waiting for this video to load. I just don't have it on there now because I'm making this voiceover. But when I finish with the voiceover, I will be putting the intro on here and the outro. And I hope to be not forget, but I'm getting better at remembering to pop up in the messages during the premiere. And you can ask me questions about fashion. I don't know how susceptible I will be to conversations that aren't fashion related, at least. You know, I'm not looking to get into political debates, even though fashion does delve into politics. When I was in school, we studied that, what people wear and why they wear it and how people get offended by what people are wearing. We did all that stuff. So, but as a general rule, no, I won't be out here talking about people politically, not unless I can spin it to make some money on fashion. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not trying to get in these politicians' business. I want to make some money. I want to do a deal, as the man once said. That was Warren Buffett. They were talking about business or something, and he said to do a deal. Some people thrive on doing deals, getting that handshake and selling something. There's a thrill in getting people to trust you and like you enough in order to buy from you. See there, I'm taking the pocket off because, like I said, I want you guys to see my ups and downs and know that I'm not just going to slap something on there and have it looking crazy. Please like, comment, share. I was enamored with that for some reason. I can't remember why. Today I'm going to start making the belt for the white jersey bodycon dress with the green and white tartan or plaid pockets. I should finish the belt later on tonight, and then move on to affixing the belt loops to the dress. But when I do that, I need to mark it up with chalk. So you guys will see all that this time. Well, you saw it last time as well, but you'll see it from the beginning. You should see it from the beginning this time. I don't know what I'm going to talk about next time. I said I was going to jump into, delve into some politics, but fashion politics, and the economics and tariffs and what they're doing to the fashion industry. I keep seeing articles about tariffs and how they're ravaging the apparel industry. And other little nuances that I'm struck. I don't see conversations. I mean, I see the news, whether it's online or on YouTube, on Google News or Reddit or wherever. So yeah, I will be discussing the economics and politics of fashion. If any of you guys want to delve into that with me, feel free to get at me. Alrighty, where are we at? Between 8 and 9 minutes. We have about 2 minutes left to go. If you guys are looking to purchase this dress or any of my other items, there is a link to my website on my profile. So I guess I'm going to got it all lined up. Yepper doodles. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share. I will see you in the next video.